Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and we're going to unbox the Galaxy A24. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the Samsung Galaxy A24. You have a picture of the actual phone. On the side there's nothing. On the other side it says Galaxy A24 and on the back there's nothing. By the height of the box you can tell that there is no charger included in the box, which is quite sad. On the bottom we got its specification. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which you can expand with an XD card. The color is black, made in Vietnam. Here we have its IMEI as well. Now in order to open it you basically have two C's right here, which I have already opened in the shop due to some reason. So let's just unbox it. Here we have Samsung, and let's see what's inside. First of all, you're going to get some paperwork and a USB type C to type C cable, as you can see right here. Other than that, we have our actual phone itself. Samsung Galaxy A24 Super AMOLED 90Hz display, triple camera and a fingerprint sensor. Here we have the Galaxy A24 in the black color, and if you're wondering, then the glass protector and the plastic is not included. I have applied it when I opened this in the shop due to some reason. Here we have our triple cameras, as you can see, with the flash. On the front we have our 90Hz Super AMOLED display. On the bottom we got our 3.5mm headphone jack, which is cool, a mic, USB type C cable to charge or transfer data, speakers. On the side we have our power button, which has the fingerprint sensor, volume up and down keys, another mic. On the side we have our SIM tray, which can have two nano SIMs and an SD card, meaning three total slots, and you also get a SIM ejection tool in it as well. So for the build quality, on the back you have this black tint, but it is fully plastic made. On the side again it is plastic with the buttons made of plastic as well, so you don't have any premium build quality with the Samsung Galaxy A24. Talking about cameras, you're going to have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera, and the selfie camera is 13 megapixel. And that's all. So let me just power it on. Samsung Galaxy powered by Android. And as the phone is powering on, let me show you the SIM tray as well. Here, as you can see, you're going to have slots to add two nano SIMs at the same time and a dedicated SD card slot. So you can expand storage and have two SIMs at the same time with this phone, which is now quite less with most of the recent phones. After setting up the phone, here is your 90Hz Super AMOLED display, which is quite smooth. If I go and open the camera to just show you an idea of the camera result, here is the camera. But again, you're going to see that the phone is a little bit laggy now, although it is new, but this should not be in the case. Here you have your 2x zoom and you can go up to 10x. I think this is digital zoom, not optical. And here you have 1x and the ultra wide camera as well. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy A24. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.